You can have Alexa read your Kindle books both on your phone or on Echo devices. Welcome to Quick Accessibility Tips episode 3. I love reading books, especially audiobooks, but Audible can get pretty expensive and Bard doesn't always have the books or narrators that I prefer. Kindle is typically much less expensive, especially if you use something like Kindle Unlimited if you read a lot. Kindle is pretty accessible with a screen reader, or if you have low vision, you can make all these different font setting changes. What's even better is the Alexa Assistive Reader. I'm doing this on my phone right now, but again, you can also use this with your smart speaker. Alexa, read my Kindle book.
Resuming Carrie's most recent book, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, read with Kindle Assistive Reader. There are 53 minutes left in the book. From far away down the corridor came the beating of drums. Then the singing began.
As you can see, Alexa's voice reads it pretty well. I like it a lot better than a lot of screen readers. You don't have to turn any pages. You don't even need to have the app open in case you're using a screen reader. It's done all in the background. If this is the first time you're trying to do this, she will ask you if you want to enable Assistive Reader. If you say no, you can always go to Settings, Accessibility, and turn on Assistive Reader in the accessibility settings on the Alexa app. It's really a pretty cool feature. You can tell her to pause, play, go to the next chapter, go to the previous chapter, and even start the book over. Not all Kindle books are supported by the Assistive Reader, especially if there's a lot of graphics, and children's books are notorious for this. A lot of them are illustration based, and unfortunately she's not able to read it. So give this a try. If you knew about this, let me know. If you didn't know about this, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have a quick accessibility tip, share it down in the comments, or you can send an email to email@carrieonaccessibility.com, and hopefully we can feature it on this segment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.